Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Here is today's kanji. It is read onna or jo in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means woman. It has 3 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like jo. On its own, it is usually onna. A graceful figure kneeling with arms folded, a woman. Now let's write it. 3 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Onna, onna means woman. Josei, josei means female. And kanojo, kanojo means she. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Ho read suki, to like. An read yasui, cheap. Notice the small differences. So, that's nona, woman. 3 strokes read onna or jo. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.